Hey, good morning. How y'all doing? Happy Sunday. I am in the car with the kids. See, there's Gianna and there's Jaydon. And we are here to support Jaydon's secondary tournament of the 2021 season. We're actually at a Georgia's Youth Leaders tournament. How you feeling about it, Jaydon? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Is that all you got to say? Nothing to get us hyped about?
No, I'm just chilling.
He trying to be cool for the camera, but that's okay. All right.
Crazy world.
You pumped, Jay?
That's crazy here.
That's how I go.
Alright, y'all, I just got finished checking in, so it was like a few more minutes till we start, so stay tuned. Alright, so I just finished my first game.
How you feeling?
I'm good. My leg hurt a little bit.
You gotta shake it off. And I see you sweating too.
Yeah.
Well, you can do this. You can end it up with a 184. All right, you can do this. All right, y'all, we still here at Southern Lanes. Jaydon's still doing his thing, trying to root him on, keep him focused, and I even did a little bet with him. If he got $200, he can get some money. Alright, y'all, we are back, and Jaydon just finished his 5th game, and he got top seed forward. He's tied with 4th place with somebody. How you feeling, son?
Feeling good. Step ladder time, so yeah.
Alright, well, we're gonna go ahead and see how you do this. You gonna finish this out hard?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Alright, y'all, we back in the car. I had qualified 4th, but they still had to count some scores, so I ended up placing 6th. But I still did good, you know. Yeah.
We just leaving from Southern Lanes, and Jaydon finished in a strong 6th place. How you feeling, son?
Feeling good.
You know, for this being your third step ladder tournament, I believe, you should feel pretty great because he actually got into the scratch tournament versus the handicap, which he's used to. So I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
You know, you can do this. There's actually going to be others that we're going to probably start doing together a little bit more. I know there's some probably coming. I think there's one coming up in February, but you know, hopefully this is not your last time wanting to do this, and we can actually
it's not.
go knock some heads off and some pins down, whichever way. But anyway, hope y'all liked this video. We had a good time today supporting Jay, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment as well, and like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Happy Sunday. Have a good one.